open this surprise egg, frozen surprise egg, but the picture is Elsa, Anna, Olaf, Kristoff, and I don't know this. So let's just open it and see what's inside. Thank you. Let's get inside. Wire. Sticker. Oh. Elsa! Got Elsa. And we have a candy. Let's see this movie.
Kasih lihat stikernya dong. Stikernya seperti ini ya.
And then we got maybe we got this. Or we have this one, this Elsa. Let's open this and see what's inside. And what is this for? It's like a mirror. Oh, there you go. This is Elsa. And this is the mirror. This is for makeup, for everything. And this is Elsa. Super. Here is Elsa. It's like for a hanger or maybe a keychain. And this is what it looks like. Cool. It's like a mirror, but it's kind of like. That's all for today, guys. Bye.